So this kitchen island was deconstructed in several layers. The countertop was made of fiberglass, and we removed it, but we are using it in another outdoor kitchen area. And it contained a built-in molded sink and had an existing faucet. And what Peter's doing right now is he is removing the thin veneer that is covering the island to reveal all the components of the plumbing, as well as the hot water tank that was also removed, and the heater for the RV. He is also removing a vacuum that was built 20 years ago and is not really functional. The doors were reused. We are thinning them out because they're just a little too thick and chunky and old-fashioned, and we will reuse them in a different capacity. This island will also be rebuilt once all the components are rebuilt inside. So new plumbing, new hot water, instant hot water tank. We are keeping the existing heater and peeling back to reveal that there is drawers that we kept, and like I said, doors that are kept. So this is just stage one of removing everything, and it will all be rebuilt.